Open this. Open this. I have green.
Remember these? Probably not. We got a bunch of cool old bits of technology from the golden olden days and brought in some of our friends to try and figure out what on earth they even do. This is Kids vs. Tech.
Is it a printer or something? Is it a photocopier? Oh.
The overhead projector is a versatile piece of equipment which you will find in many classrooms today.
This is kind of mid, but the TV and the projectors are better.
It's a very creative and exciting way in which to present ideas to your students.
What? That? Give me it. I want to try. Press it in. Press. I can't see anything.
I always considered the GAF Viewmaster an ingenious invention.
It's a different photo. No. Put it down and then flick it up. And then it's a different photo.
Yeah.
This GAF Viewmaster is a lot of fun. What do you think?
It's really interesting.
I'd rather have an iPad.
I'd rather have my own 1,000,000 iPads.
It's really interesting.
Wait, what?
Record players.
Yeah. What do we do with them? I think we have to sort the cars out.
What are those? What are these?
Maxell Super RD2 floppy disks. With their distinctive multi-layer liner...
Get out! Get out! How shall we open it?
White ones go first. White ones go first.
These are used for computers back maybe old days. I think they still use it.
No, I need yellow.
Yellow.
Black.
Reliability and durability are guaranteed.
Wait a minute. Who did broke this?
A massive kia ora to everyone who helped out in Kids vs. Tech.